Andrea Veloso. Well, our games for today is third game na nitong Batangas kontra Las Piñas in the 18 and under division, followed by the second group, Quezon City and San Juan City. And of course, the third batch will be Binyan, the home team kontra Quezon. Once again, good morning. Sa init ng laban, good afternoon na nasasabi namin. Well, di pa naman makaget over to sa last game natin, partner.
Ang ganda nung last game natin, no? 1-point squeaker, panalo para dito sa Las Piñas over Batangas. And nanalo naman dun sa 14 and under yung Batangas naman over Las Piñas and a come from behind victory. Tingnan natin kung sino dito ang magwawagi para makuha ang pangalawang panalo para sa kanilang kupunan.
Exactly, so wag na nating patagalin pa. Tingnan natin kung sino nga ba mananalo dito sa third game natin. Bigyan na natin ito kay Gio Cruz for the starting lineup.
Excitement continues here at Alontes Sports Arena, Binyan City, Laguna, as we bring you Manny Pacquiao's Junior and PBL Season 4, ang Liga ng Bawat Batang Pilipino. 18 under division between Batangas Tribu X Bosay and Las Piñas 30 Coolers. Now let us meet the starters for both teams. First, for Batangas Tribu X Bosay. Starting guard number 42, Wesley Bugayong. To guard number 1, Harold Flores. At forward number 16, Steven Nocum. Also at forward number 24, Prince Katapang. And at center number 7, Jimuel Hawak. The head coach of Batangas Tribu X Bosay is Erwin Apilo. Assisted by Michael Sidianco, Patrick Tessa. Team manager JC Nocum and Glenn De Castro. Team owners Dr. Alan Lanzon and Boss Ivan Nocum. Now let us meet the starters for Las Piñas 30 Coolers. Starting guard number 1, Ken Eraskin. To guard number 7, Ivo Arciaga. At forward number 5, Paul Ducut. Other forward number 29, Kirby Padilla. And at center number 14, John Santos. The head coach is Egay Bellones. Assisted by Louis Lonzo, Wendell Cadiz, Ronald Mendoza, Carl Magpantay. Team owner Ron Moreno and Larry Hulep. Team manager Michael Te.
So our team starters nga natin is for Batangas muna, we got Liban, Pelaez, De La Cruz, Libuno, and Santos. Para naman dito sa Las Piñas, we got Ong Lanot, Pronidor, Santos, and Kuntapay. Actually, for Las Piñas in the 18 and under division, we got Eraskin, Ducot, Arciaga, Santos, and Padilla.
And we're just about to start itong ating first quarter.
18 and under division natin, partner, game number 3. Sinabi nga natin dun kanina sa pre-game natin, hindi po tayo makaget over to sa game number 2 natin, pero siyempre tuloy-tuloy ang action natin. Dito naman tayo sa kuya ng division, 18 and under, Las Piñas, Batangas. Sinong unang pupuntos? That's a missed opportunity right there for Batangas. Early three-pointer, misses. Balik sa Batangas ang bola dahil mitis din ng Las Piñas doon. Oh, early foul.
So wala pang umuupo sa ating dalawang kupunan.
Wala pa. And ito si Jimuel Hawak taking a trip at the line early in the first quarter. Yun. Yun ang magpapaupo ngayon sa bench ng Batangas. Yung unang free throw ni Hawak.
So tignan natin kung sing exciting itong 18 under na matchup as compared to yung kanina. Pati yung 14 under, napaka-exciting din eh.
2 out of 2 para dito kay Hawak.
Itong Las Piñas still being coached by former pro Egay Bellones.
Steven Nocum nagdadala ng bola para dito sa Batangas. Pero na nga, out of bounds. Pero bola pa rin ng Batangas. So far, 2-0 tayo dito sa first quarter. Batangas umaatake. Steven Nocum. Tanga sa ilalim. Great use of the glass. Gandang tira ng may Steven Nocum. 4-0 and ngayon.
And bola ay babalik dito sa Batangas.
Early foul para dito kay Padilla of Las Piñas. Four and 0 so far. A minute and 36 seconds remaining.
Ito ang averages ng parehong kupunan. Mas mataas ang scoring nitong Batangas pero ang bench nitong Las Piñas last year was very potent, scoring more than half of their team's points.
Tobias mabilis and gets the bucket and one. First few points para dito sa Las Piñas and looking to complete the 3-point play.
And
Tobias, number 2 of Las Piñas.
2 minutes ang lumipas. Dikit pa rin ang laban, hindi nga lang naipasok yung bonus free throw.
Ngayon, balik sa Las Piñas ang bola. May isa pa silang chance para makapuntos at posibleng tumabla sa 4. Ayun na nga.
Ayun.
May bonus pang isa. Currently tied at 4 is our score as we take a look at this replay. Pound for Pound Fitness foul counted play brought to us by Pound for Pound Fitness. Be Liga ready. Unfortunately, he was not able to complete the 3-point play as well. So, dalawang missed free throws na yun para dito sa Las Piñas. But so far, so good. Tabla sa 4. Almost 2.5 minutes has gone by in the first quarter. Bola ng Batangas.
We will see if Batangas will have a similar play style as their younger counterparts.
Oh, floater too strong.
And yung action kasi was limited to just, they wanted sort of a two-man game dito sa right side. Medyo nag-o-observe na lang yung nasa kabilang side. It might be better for them to involve more players into that set.
As we see here, bola ulit ng Las Piñas. Tabla pa rin tayo sa 4. Sagat, number 2, Tobias. Oh, ganda sana ng execution but just couldn't convert.
Oo. At meron tayong report mula kay Andrea. Andrea, ano meron?
Some players that we need to look forward to here in this 18 under division of Las Piñas are Ken Eraskin, Kirby Padilla, Ivo Arsiaga, and Isla Quindanum, who has been playing together for a few years now at nakakamit na rin ng ilang championship in various leagues. Kaya kahit newcomers nga raw sila, hindi lang dito sa Las Piñas, kundi sa Junior MPBL, they are ready to prove themselves. Medyo challenging nga raw because for sure there is tougher competition and they're still adjusting with the system, but that is exactly what they are looking forward to here in this new given opportunity. John and Joel.
Thank you so much, Andrea. Hindi nga itong si Ken Eraskin and Kirby Padilla and a few other players from Las Piñas. Yung key players, tingnan natin kung ano ang maidadala o mabibigay nila dito sa game number 1 nila sa season 4, knowing that they performed good nung season 3.
And chemistry will be all the more important, especially dito sa 18 under. Kasi dito na kailangan magiging very advantageous pag alam nyo na yung playing style ng isa't isa.
Exactly.
Kumbaga wala nang usap-usapan, basta alam mo na kung saan pupunta yung mga kakampi mo.
Exactly. Mata-mata na lang yun.
Oo.
Pero na nga, no, there was a quick transition there and mapupunta sa Batangas ang bola. And we got Harold Flores of Batangas inbounding. Tabla pa rin tayo sa 4.
Tabla pa rin. Eh, ito na naman tayo, partner. Mukhang exciting na naman tong ball game na to.
Parang gano'n na nga ang mangyayari. Follow-up wala pa din. Las Piñas, Tobias, mabilis sana. So, nauna sa kanya ang bola.
Mabilis na siya, pero mas mabilis yung bola.
Oo. Another chance for Batangas to score and break that tie.
Medyo matagal na tayong napako dito sa 5-all, partner. Sorry, sa 4-all.
Yeah, and halfway through the first quarter, 5:03 remaining. So as what we normally say kapag ganito yung sitwasyon, low scoring so far, pero tingnan natin. It's like 5 minutes and this is Spirit Prince Katapang breaking the tie for Batangas. Making that first free throw. On to his second.
That's his first point para dito sa ating ball game. 2 for 2.
Lucky bounce. Lumang na dalawa ang Batangas. Ngayon, Las Piñas naman. Gustong tumabla, pwede rin lumamang ng isa. Arsiaga, traveling violation.
Yung jab step. Nag-jab step siya pa kanan, tapos bago niya maibaba yung bola, nag-lift na yung left foot niya.
Oo, patakbo na.
Oo.
Kaso doon nga nakabantay yung ating referees.
Eagle-eyed yung ating mga referees dito.
And of course, syempre, para matanggal din yung ganong habit, even in the 18 and under division, kung tutusin sila na yung oldest dito sa Whoa! But I was saying, sila na yung oldest dito sa ating 3 division na ito. Flores knocked down a 3. Ooh!
Good defense, better offense there.
That's the term indeed. Good defense, better offense. Jacob, bumabad pa sa ere, bumali pa. Pero ngayon, tatlo ang lamang ng Batangas. 9-6.
Flores gustong gawing back-to-back, hindi nga lang pumasok.
Steven Nocom left with no choice. Jacob. Back-to-back scores para sa Las Piñas. Batangas up by 1 point. 9-8. Steven Nocom takes it out to number 12. Shot too strong.
Nagmamadali dito ang Las Piñas. Play broken up, but it sails back to Arsiaga with a jelly.
Great show of good offense, good defense, better offense na naman sa panig ng Las Piñas. Pero ngayon, si Katapang.
Yeah, nagpunas na ng sapatos.
Bebuelo na. Almost
Sayang.
getting it in.
Alam mo, may special move na naparating pag nagpupunas na ng sapatos.
Umuwersa na, pero speaking of special move, Jacob, pumupuntos para dito sa Las Piñas and trying to secure the bonus. And napatawag nga dito ng timeout ang Batangas. As we take a look at this one more time. Look at that. Foul counter play brought to us by Pound for Pound Fitness. We'll be right back.
Ligan ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
12-9, just like that, lamang na ng tatlo itong Las Piñas and we have Jacob. Medyo nagiging matunog na ang pangalan ni Jacob dito sa game
Paano ba
natin.
Jacob ba talaga? Kasi dati nagkaroon ako ng liga, we were calling a game. And there was a name, Jacob, well, Jacob yung last name niya. Tapos Jacob kami ng Jacob. Tapos lumapit siya sa isa sa amin. Sabi, dapat Jacob daw talaga.
Called him Jacob, pero as narinig ko sa ating game announcer, Jacob. Tingnan natin.
Yun, tingnan natin. Kasi nga naman, pag Jacob, medyo western masyado.
Foreigner Pero yung galaw nandun din naman
Oo.
Tulad niya, speaking of galaw, Prince Katapang.
Katapang katao.
Katakbo katulin. Oh, buhali pa. Pinasa and scores para dito kay number 4, Kent Dasilio. Tatapang once again, pero kinapos this time, Steven Nocom. Hindi rin pumasok, pero mapupunta siya sa charity stripes.
And getting some last bits of instruction mula sa kanilang coach, Coach Irvin.
As we saw in that replay, a few points for Batangas, but right now they're down to 4. Sila ang lamang kanina and
Yung
time technical
Oo.
break.
Yung kabilang butas naman para sa
Oo.
volleyball, kailangan ding isil.
Siyempre, we ensure the safety of everyone. Ayaw naman natin makaabala yan dun sa ganda ng laban, siyempre.
Exactly. And we have had nothing but beautifully played games so far dito sa ating Mother's Day special ng Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL.
Well, talagang napakagandang game nga naman ito if dedicated to the mothers of these players. And of course, not just the players, but all the mothers. Yeah, and while we're at it, so happy Mother's Day to all the moms tuning in. And of course, game number 3 na nga tayo, 18 and under division. Las Piñas and Batangas pa din. Nocom at the line. Oh, diluwa pa.
Oo. Ayan si Coach Irvin ng Batangas. Mukhang gusto nilang pabilisin yung laban.
Oo. Yun na nga, 1 out of 2. Steven Nocom at the line. Las Piñas up by 3. Las Piñas setting it up. Oh, slip. Flores. Tuluyan ang iniwan ng bantay, but the defender is so good. That was Bercasio. Oh, balik sa Batangas ang bola. Another opportunity for them. Steps back for 3. And it's in. That will be Daniel Cagimbal.
Beautiful action there by Batangas. They drew the defense in first and then it was kicked out to the 3-point shooter. Ayan, nagkaroon na tayo ng confirmation mula sa ating FD na si Kim. Hakob daw.
Hakob talaga.
Hakob talaga. So, hindi siya katulad ng Kobe ng Pinas.
Muntik pa maging Jacob ng Pinas.
Oo.
Hakob tayo, Hakob. Pero speaking of which, nandito tayo sa Las Piñas sa side. Nakaangat ng 2. Tumablas sa 15, pero ngayon 17-15 na ang score natin, lamang ang Las Piñas. Ang bola ng Batangas, almost losing that ball in the process. Balik sa kanila ang bola. Exactly 1 minute remaining in the first quarter.
And just like our previous games, clingy ang dalawang kupunan.
Mukhang talagang ganun kadikit when it comes to their performances. Pero itong si Flores misses on the first one.
Si Harold Flores had a 3 earlier in the game, but since then, wala pa siyang naibubuslo ulit.
Missing 2.
Swarming defense by the white shirts.
Triple team na eh. Napilitan pa. Naging traveling violation pa. Against dito kaya number 26, Bercasio. Pero na nga. Great defense coming from Batangas. They're down by 2.
At mukhang may kailangang i-clarify. One player who is not in the original lineup.
I believe that's number 81. Not sure. Just not
Nakorek
sure.
kasi dito sa atin eh. Pero hindi yata nakorek doon sa kanila. Sa ating table officials. So tutuloy lang tayo dito. No timeout was called. So pero of course our coaches making use of this gap in time,
Yeah.
could
Every
give
chance they get,
instructions.
of course.
Oo.
Yeah. Especially ganito yung sitwasyon. Under 1 minute remaining, dalawang lamang ng Las Piñas. Pero syempre, Batangas may kapasidad na tumabla or lumamang ng isa. Ito na nga. 6 seconds on the shot clock.
Alam kaya ng Batangas ito. Oh.
Medyo nagigil pa to si Uy at na-foul niya pa yung few seconds na natitira. It could have been a shot clock violation kung hindi nakatira si Nocom. Pero ngayon may chance siya sa free throw line.
Ayaw pa rin pumasok ang
Wala
free
pa
throw
rin.
ng si Nocom.
Second free throw. Steven Nocom, 18 under division, misses 2.
He's missed a total of 4 now.
Pero yun na nga, si Uy nakabawi after that foul against Nocom. Nakabawi naman sa kabila, no dribble needed. Balik sa Las Piñas ang bola. Unselfish play, kaso nakakuha ni Steven Nocom. On the rush, side steps, layup too strong, follow-up is good. Care of Gustav Solis.
Si Solis was actually asking for an alley-oop. Pero diniretso na lang muna. He just got the offensive rebound and put back.
Ganda ng bitaw, Britannico, 4-3.
At the end of the first quarter, the score is 22-17. 5-point lead para dito sa Las Piñas as we take a look at that last shot mula dito kay Britannico. Triple gives them a 5-point lead. We'll be back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
From tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game, Chef's Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic, make every meal a magic moment. Entering the second quarter, 22-17. Early turnover kontra dito kay Sanz. Pinasok na nga siya dito sa second quarter natin.
Etong si Sands. We've also seen this young player develop magmula, I believe even from the 14 and under division. He was playing for another team back then. And he has moved to a couple of teams already. And now he is with Las Piñas.
Quick hands from Sanz pero mananatili sa Batangas ang bola. Currently down by 5. They are 17, Las Piñas 25. Nocom will inbound. Finds the open man. De Luna thought about the 3 or long 2-pointer, no good. Sanz has the leather. Guarded by Daniel Cagimbal. Sanz to derecho, kicks it out. Left, right wing 3, misses. Cagimbal goes straight to the basket. Pero nandun si Kurt Luzong.
And good trail job dun mula dito sa Las Piñas. Important never to give up on the play.
As we take a look at that replay. So balik tayo sa action dito. Let's turn this over to Andrea for some courtside reports. Andrea.
Joel and John, you guys mentioned how important chemistry is, especially in the 18 under division. At kung chemistry at loyalty nga raw yung pag-uusapan, nangunguna na rin dyan ang Batangas team. Coach Mike Sidianco commends the loyalty and hard work of Steven Nocom and Dwayne Destreza, who has been playing for Batangas since season 1, back when they were still in the 14 under division, hanggang sa umakyat na dito sa 18 under. These two basically grew up with the team, at masasabi nga ng mga coaches that they really represent what a homegrown Batangueño player is. Someone who's strong and confident on and off the court. Joel and John.
Thank you so much, Andrea. So yun na nga, no? Since 14 and under division, for those listening or watching, simula 14 and under hanggang sa 18 and under, tuloy-tuloy ang development ng mga players natin ito. Especially itong for the Batangas homegrown, Steven Nocom and Dwayne Destreza.
And tayo din as sportscasters, as broadcasters, nakikita rin talaga natin ang development nitong mga batang to. And that's just such a joy to watch.
Yes.
And later on, pag naging sikat na sila at makalimutan na nila tayo, at least tayo naalala natin yung mga panahon na kinakover natin sila.
Nung mga bata pa sila, no, that's what we'll say.
Speaking like a true tito.
Oh. Jake Alfaro making a name for himself dito sa Batangas, making himself known. And that layup will go in, and bonus para dito kay Shadare. And I think itong si Shadare, if I'm not mistaken, in the last season, he played in the 16 and under division, if I'm not mistaken.
I think so too.
And looking at that replay, Shadare gets a foul counted, brought to us by Pound for Pound Fitness, B Liga Ready. 5 points pa rin ang kalamangan. Oh! Shadare flying high to get that block. Gulat ako doon.
Shadare raced. Ayan, tingnan natin ulit yung nangyari doon.
Halos maisalpak na kung siya yung nasa opensa. But let's see more of Ridwan Shadare here in the 18 and under division. 5-point lead on Las Piñas, 27-22. 2 minutes 30 seconds has gone by in the second quarter. Di Mayuga. The right wing. That will be Ken Eraskin. Knocks down a 3. Giving Las Piñas an 8-point lead. Alfaro pulls up for 3. Misses.
They
Flores.
still have possession. Flores.
Clock's winding down to 7. Kicks it out. Left wing naman. A bit short. Offensive rebound. Nobody wants to let go of the ball after the whistle.
You gotta love the intensity. Luzong. Ayan, shake hands muna. Pinag-shake hands sila ni ref.
Great sportsmanship. Para maalala natin na di tayo kailangan sumobra sa init. Si Luzong at saka itong si De Luna. 30-22, lamang pa rin ng 8 ang Las Piñas. Itong Batangas naghahabol. Manalo. Si number 42, Bugayong. Left corner shot, no good.
Pitching it up ahead. Shadare! Another pound for pound fitness foul counted play.
Oh, smiles para dito kay Ridwan Shadare. As we take a look at this one more time, a pound for pound fitness foul counted play, Ridwan Shadare. Pero napa-timeout muna nga dito ang Batangas. We will be right back.
Liga ng bayan na
Lead one shot at it. Gets that bonus in. Giving Las Piñas an 11-point lead. Early in this second quarter. Batangas naman ang atake. Flores trying to shake off the defense of Las Piñas. De Luna.
Medyo tumigil dito yung opensa ng Batangas. They've only scored 5 points.
That spin won't work against the Mayuga. Las Piñas naman, medyo nadulas. Great steal there.
A little bit of extracurriculars mula dito kay Luzong. May pinaramdam siya. Doon kay sino ba tong kay Alfaro.
Tingnan natin. 33-22, 11-point lead in Las Piñas, 5.5 remaining in the second quarter. And itong si Erasquin set up the play. Oh, spin, steps through. Up and under, pero yun nga. That will not count para din sa Las Piñas.
Offensive goal interference.
Naghabol ng 11 points itong Batangas. 22 ang puntos nila, 33 naman sa Las Piñas. But Bugayong has a letter, gives it to Flores. Alfaro. Long two-pointer, bit short. Wala pa din, third try, wala pa din. But De Luna was able to get the foul.
So, etong Batangas right now cannot buy a basket. They've been scoreless for a good 3 minutes now.
33-22 pa rin ang ating score. De Luna at the free throw line. Looking to make it a single-digit lead, or deficit rather. Pero nagmintes yung unang free throw.
Wala pa rin silang naisuscore. Matagal-tagal na.
De Luna misses that both free throws. Erasquin finds that open man right at the middle. And itong si number 50, Paul Medina, scores for Las Piñas. Batangas naman.
Oh, bad foul there. Hawak will go to the line.
As you mentioned in the first two games today, you wouldn't want to foul a perimeter shooter, pero itong si Hawak at the line. A bit short.
Pangalawang tira. Ayaw pa rin.
Wala pa din. Medyo maalat sila dito ngayon sa free throw. Las Piñas. Ibayuga. Number 8 pulls up pero wala. Nakuha niya yung basket and one. Parang pamilyar yun ah. Kulang na lang iba to sa board din isalpa.
Oo.
As we take a look at this once again, bounces off the board and then follow up in a counted foul. Brought to us by Pound for Pound Fitness. Foul, counted play.
Yun lang yung free throw. Kapos.
15 na ang kalamangan dito ng Las Piñas. 37-22. Biggest lead so far in this ball game.
And Batangas trying to look for answers dito. So far, hirap na hirap silang umiscore.
Flores to Alfaro. Gives to Noong. Back to Flores. Pulls up for three. Yes, on that right wing.
On cue. Harold Flores getting his second triple of the game.
Las Piñas naman ang subok pumukol. Eight seconds on the shot clock. Nocum.
Good extra pass from Nocum to Hawak.
10 ang kalamangan ng Las Piñas. Ayaw nilang pababain sa single-digit lead. Oh, Di Mayuga with a no-look pass and the three is in para dito kay Paul Medina. (40-27) na po ang ating score. 30-point lead. Batangas na libre. Itong si number 20, Justin Baral. Dahil nga dyan, napatawag ng timeout ang Las Piñas. We will be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, junior and PBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang
40-29, 11-point lead dito ang Las Piñas in the second quarter, 2.5 remaining. Game number 3, 18 and under division.
And right now, itong Batangas finally getting some scoring going. Pero importante that they keep on playing defense para maibaba nila sa single digit itong kalamangan.
Pero ngayon nga, itong Las Piñas may dala ng bola. Siyempre, ayaw nilang mangyari po ba ang kalamangan. Looking to score beyond the arc. A bit short. Defensive rebound by Justin Baral. Flores gives to Nocum. Napasobra ang atake dito ni Paolo Elicot.
And binalik na dito si Nocum para sa Batangas to try and provide some additional leadership, maybe even offense for the Batangas tribu.
Flores leaves his defender behind. Block to grade. Enter mo kanina, defense good but the better offense para dito naman sa Batangas.
That was Hawak with that extra shot. Flores flying to the basket.
Ice Lakindanum is the name of the blocker. Ice, tama lang yung pangalan. Cold-blooded block. 40-31, single-digit lead at Las Piñas dito. And as we take a look at this once again.
Oh, there's a warning for resentment to a call. Maybe a non-call. Yeah.
It's a non-call. Spins, jumps, gets the foul instead. Looking to inch a bit closer dito sa Las Piñas. Currently down by 9 points itong Batangas. 40-31. A minute and 10 remaining here in the second. Hawak misses.
You've got a lot of Batangas fans right behind us.
Yes. 1 out of 2 at the line. Itong si Jimul Hawak. Ngayon, bola naman ng Las Piñas. 8-point lead. But compared to the double-digit lead kanina, kailangan nila mas mag-ingat ngayon knowing that Batangas can keep up. 1:02 remaining.
We've seen Batangas come from behind win in the 14 under. And we've also seen Las Piñas come from behind din yun. Win
Yes.
in the 16 under. It might be the theme of the day. We'll just have to wait and see.
Yes, actually. Pero na nga, na-foul na naman si Nocum doon sa last sequence. Yun, talagang gusto na napigilan si Stephen Nocum. Unfortunately, nauuwi sa foul.
Well, you can say that it's a bit, it's a good foul to give kasi si Stephen Nocum is currently just shooting 1 out of 5 from the line.
Siguro yun nga yung naobserbahan nila if there's a player that you would want to foul and medyo mamanage sila yung risk.
Oo.
Pero tingnan natin if Stephen Nocum can prove us otherwise later in this game. Las Piñas up by a double digit once again. 10 points, 42-32. Flores. Oh! Boom.
He will be called for the offensive foul. Inuna yung bangga. Let's take a look at that replay.
Na-enjoy niya yung contact na yun sa offensive foul.
Tumilapon dun yung kanyang defender.
Ayun na nga, no? Timeout muna tayo. Magbabalik po tayo in a bit.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng
42-32, 10-point lead ang Las Piñas. Still in control of this ball game. 26.4 remaining in our second quarter. 2 seconds difference in our game clock and shot clock as Las Piñas inbounds. At eto na nga. Aatake na ang Las Piñas. Pinangungunahan ni Tobias. Gives to number 77 in the left corner but misses. Huge block by number 30.
8 seconds in the game clock. Nice play there. The cut by Alfaro, the pass by Kagimbal, resulting in that end one play.
With 1.3 seconds remaining, they were able to score as we take a look at this once again. Pound for pound fitness foul counted play. So na nga si Alfaro at the line for the bonus. Shot too strong. That will be it for the first half. End of the second quarter, 42-34. Las Piñas ang nakalamang.
liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. PBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Going back to the end of the first half as we take a look at some of our highlights from Las Piñas and Batangas. As we can see here, great play from Batangas. Uulit pa ulit ang Batangas dito. Makakapukul ulit sila ng puntos. That's from Alfaro, number 81. Now our halftime scores.
Our halftime stats. Las Piñas, so more efficient from the field, 18 out of 29. As compared, that's a 62% as compared to Batangas, 12 out of 32. At yung bench points din, lamang na lamang, doble nila ang bench points nitong Batangas. I think we mentioned that at the top of the coverage na yung bench nitong Las Piñas is actually very potent. They score more than half of the points, the total points on average of the team. And we're seeing that again now. They have scored 28 out of the 42 points nitong Las Piñas True Tea Coolers. And nandito nga tayo sa City of Biñan, the City of Life in Laguna.
Diyan ka po, kasama pa rin Joel Parcon and Andrea Veloso bringing you the action live here at the Long Sports Arena. And of course, we are entering the second half or the third quarter. Nakalamang nga ng 8 dito ang Las Piñas. In the early trip and the free throw line itong si Jacob.
He was one of the top scorers para dito sa Las Piñas in that first half with 7 points. Dinagdagan niya na. So meron na siyang even 8. He's ably supported by Dukot, who also had 7, and Shadare with 5. On the other side naman, it was Hawak and Alfaro with 7 apiece, and Flores with a pair of triples to get 6.
Nakagulat yung buzzer. Alam ko buzzer eh. Eri na nga. Las Piñas. Nagmamadali. Almost loses that ball. Tobias getting flash in that jump. Mananatili si Las Piñas ang bola.
And they have an inbound play. Let's see. It's a cross screen.
Halos mabusan ng 5 segundo ang Las Piñas pero lamang sila na 10 ngayon. 9 minutes remaining. Pulls up for 3 misses. Defensive rebound. Ito ni number 7, Hawak. Sakto sa kanyang pangalan. Oh! Napansin ko medyo parang di ko alam kung same na players o ibang players from Las Piñas. Yun from different sides.
Exactly.
So, ayan, kaya nakikita mo, nakahaplos-haplos nila yung ilalim ng sapatos nila. But etong si Hawak misses the first free throw. And uulitin ulit natin, every free throw counts. If it's a 2 free throw opportunity, at least get 1. Ayun, pero in-expect niya na mukhang sasablay siya doon.
And the possession will stay on this side of the court.
Be still with Batangas. Sampu pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Las Piñas sa Batangas. Batangas working their way through. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Hawak pulls up way beyond the arc. Just bounce
Muntikan
up
pa
the
pumasok
rim.
yun.
Oo nga. Nokom with a great layup and a finish.
Kanina ko pa nasabi ko kanina, sasabihin ko ulit ngayon, may Malanoli Locsin move doon. Hindi mo kasi akalain with these wide-bodied players na kaya nilang umupo sa ere.
Oo. Mintes doon ang Las Piñas. 8 na lang ang hinahabol ng Batangas. Unfortunately, itong si Kagimbal, nadula sa kanya yung bola. Turning it over to Las Piñas. Las Piñas has a chance to make this a double-digit lead once again. Oh, pinalusot pa. And the layup is good. Gandang pektos noon coming from
Oo.
Jacob.
At magandang pick and roll play mula dito kay Tobias. Who was that? Arshaga? Or, sorry, anyway, the point guard and itong si Jacob. Tight roll mula dito kay Jacob resulting in that layup.
Oh, Tobias, dire-diretso pa.
Muntikan pa niyang mabigyan ng Mother's Day gift si Jacob. Kakampi niya yun.
Friendly fires. Oh, missed opportunity once again for Batangas. But for now, let's turn this over to our courtside reporter, Andrea.
Nangihinaya nga si Coach Mike ng Batangas sa mga nasayang na free throws in the first half. 6 out of 19 free throws in the first half alone really frustrated the coaches, saying na wag nga raw sayangin ng mga free throws opportunities because every point counts. Nevertheless, for this second half, optimistic pa rin naman ang Batangas coaches, reminding everyone to just focus in the game and adjust quick defensively. Back to you guys.
Ano naman kaya ang pakiramdam ngayon ni Coach Mike? 6 out of 21 na sila ngayon. Hindi nadagdagan ng 2.
Yun,
Yung
nag-improve.
minutes.
Well, yun na nga, no, bumababa yung percentage nila sa charity stripes. And sabi nga natin, it's your chance to score. Mabigyan ka ng 2 puntos galing sa free throw. Malaking bagay na yun. Or let's say from the 21 free throws misses, 10 or 11 doon dapat na naidagdag sa puntos nila. Pero ganun pa man, bola ng Las Piñas. Balik si San sa aksyon. Oh, great follow-up and gandang topic dito ni Arshaga.
Arshaga tipping in that miss mula dito kay Jacob.
14 na ang kalamangan ng Las Piñas, making it 12. Umiikot-ikot pa sa loob ng
Medyo nakalapit dito kanina yung Batangas pero kumawala ulit itong Las Piñas. Testament to their solid play.
Yeah, naibaba na nila, if I'm not mistaken, to 8 or 6 points. Pero yun na nga, balik ulit sa 12 ang kalamangan. Looking to increase that lead, pero napalakas yung tira. And right now, umaatake dito Batangas. Dire-diretso lang, almost getting the bucket and one.
And that will be 2 free throws. For Kagimbal.
Gimbal, yeah. Halfway through the third quarter. Gimbal at the line. And the shot is good. On to his second.
And makikita natin si Kagimbal, the point guard. At talagang natatawa na lang yung arena dun sa Bubuzela or sa Horn. Pang New Year na lang dapat yun pero nagagamit din talaga sa dito. No?
10-point lead ang Las Piñas. Nagawang pababayan ng bahagya ng mga Batangas. But Las Piñas looking to increase. Air ball, Batangas looking to cut the lead even shorter. Nohom, dire-diretso lang. Rejected by number 26, Bercasio. Shadare. Nakita doon. No dribble needed para dito kay Arshaga.
And defense to offense there para dito sa Las Piñas. True tea coolers. Ayaw nilang palapitin ng masyado etong Batangas kasi baka mayari pa sila sa dulo.
But this time, sabi mo nga ayaw palapitin. Castillo coming from Nohom. Second opportunity point na yun. Pero 10 pa rin ang kalamangan. 52-42. Sanz kontra Nohom. Bigay kay 26. Finds his open spot.
Bercasio, napalakas yung tira doon. Shadare, he will try from up top.
Misses. Oh. Batangas secures the leather. Lamang pa rin sila na 10. Pero ito nga Batangas, gustong bumawas, hindi nga lang natuloy. Fast-paced ball game, nakasundot si Castillo, balik sa Batangas, pero nakuha ng Las Piñas. Shadare looking to score.
And
was a foul.
it's a loose ball foul. Parang hindi malagpasan nitong Batangas yung 8 points na yun, no? Na threshold. Talagang pag nakikita ng Las Piñas na umaabot na sa 8 points yung lamang nila, nagpupush sila lalo.
Parang doon nakaset yung isip ng Las Piñas na huwag na mababa ng 8 just to secure, just to be safe.
Exactly.
Of course, Batangas is also capable to score. Kita mo yon.
Nakuyog. Itong si, where's his number?
Basilio. 4. As we take a look at this play.
Si Dasilio is at the line.
Pero alam mo partner, what I find amazing is number 4 of Las Piñas is also Dasilio. Kent Dasilio. And our Batangas is number 4, Lawrence Dasilio. I don't know if they're related, but we can confirm that later on.
Oo nga. Ipa-confirm natin kay Andrea yan.
Eh, napalingon ako eh. Sa kabila pala ako nakatingin. Number 4 din eh. Tama naman.
Tama naman.
Na Las Piñas ulit ang atake. Still stuck at 52. Breaking that. Make it 12-point lead para dito kay number 14 na Santos. Noko. Setting up. Katapang. Kontra Sanz. Kicks it out. Number 1 gets the 3-pointer.
And that is Flores with another 3. Ang kanyang opensa ay nanggagaling sa 3. At pangatlo niya na yan.
Sanz trying to cross the defender. Masikat. Balik dito kay Bercasio. Bercasio pulls up. Natapik. Great stop there by Batangas. Now Batangas on the rush. Missed opportunity. Balik sa Las Piñas ang bola. Nagmamadali. Shadare. Kontra Dasilio. Shadare gets the bucket and 1.
It is becoming synonymous, Shadare and the end 1.
As we take a look at this one more time for the pound-for-pound fitness foul counted play. All smiles after that great performance. 8-1 Shadare.
Hindi nga lang niya naipasok yung kanyang bonus free throw.
And I think kanina ganun din ang naging sitwasyon.
Oo.
So it's been a couple of missed opportunities for Shadare. Nonetheless, lamang sila ng 11 dito. Batangas, nag-ahabol ng 11. But the shot clock halos sa ubos na. Natapik pa. Shadare, guarded by Flores. Gives it to the Dukot. Mid-range jumper too strong para kay Sanz. Dasilio, masikat. Oh!
Ayan, na-confirm na natin mula kay Andrea. Wala daw silang relation.
Amazing.
Amazing.
What a coincidence.
Oo.
Parehong 4 para Dasilio. But yeah, tingnan natin. Sana magkaharap sila mamaya. Sanz trying to get past the defender. Gives it to Shadare on that side of the court.
Napalakas yung pasa doon ni Shadare. Hindi mahawakan ni Santos.
Pero na-maintain ng Las Piñas ang kalamangan sa 11. With 37 seconds remaining. Ganda ng tapik nun. Dukot.
Nandukot ng bola at nakakuha pa ng
pumuntos.
layup.
Dumukot at pumuntos. What a play. Active hands and accurate shot. Ito naman si Salamona. Oh! Miscommunication. Ito na, isang dribble lang ang kailangan. Halos na isalpak pa. Bercasio.
Ang tawag ko doon, alay layup. Inalay yung bola sa ring.
Nilagay na lang.
Oo,
2 seconds. took the opportunity, asked for a foul, pero doon na natatapos ang ating third quarter. 60-45 in favor of Las Piñas. Lamang na sila ng 15. We will be right back. We'll just taking a short break.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to.
From tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game, Chef's Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic, make every meal a magic moment. That's our quarter scene stealer before the start of the fourth and final quarter in this show, the showdown between Las Piñas Truty Coolers and Batangas Tribus ay in the 18 and under division. Let's see kung anong adjustment ang ginawa dito ng Batangas to try and catch up dito sa scoring ng Las Piñas. Flores hesitated there, but itong si number 12 making it count, Daniel Cagimbal.
And itong Las Piñas just wants to keep that lead where it is or even higher, and they will need to be efficient with their ball handling and shot decisions.
Fourth on the shot clock. Nalibre si Uy doon pero walang puntos na nakuha, pero nabawi naman ito ni Medina. Si Paul Medina, mahawak. Post up for three. Medyo napalakas. Oh, basket and one para dito. Kaya Baral.
Parang unang beses ko palang narinig yung apelido na yan dito ngayon sa ating game.
Yep.
Might be a magic bunot. Pero naglaro na pala siya kanina.
Pero so far, so good for Baral. And early in the fourth quarter, nakapunto siya. Misses on that three-point play attempt. Lampas na ng isang minuto ang nakalipas dito sa fourth quarter natin. 13 points ang kalamangan ng Las Piñas. Di Mayuga, offensive foul kontra Flores. Nakita nga yan.
May hook daw.
Oh. 62-49. Flores will inbound for Batangas. Gives it to Cagimbal. Cagimbal, the one setting it up. Ooh, challenging the defense of Uy. Flores thinks about that three. Steps back, pull-up jumper, and it's in.
First non-3-point shot conversion para dito kay Flores.
Si Uy sumubok umatake sa gitna pero nakakuha naman siya ng foul. Siya kontra Alvaro.
So Uy going to the line.
Uy at the free throw line. First one is in. Second one. 1 out of 2. Not bad.
Importante na yung Batangas will have one run right now. If not to take over the lead, just to get a little closer.
Oh!
Sayang yun.
Foul na nakitawag natin actually.
Oh.
Third team foul. One more foul to give itong Las Piñas before they go into the penalty situation. Cagimbal Ignoring the defenders, misses the shot, pero mukhang naipasa pa. Napabuti kay Hawak. Sampu pa rin ang kalamangan. After all those exchanges, 10 pa rin ang kalamangan ng Las Piñas. Looking to keep it that way.
At the defense of Batangas ratcheting up as Flores is fouled by Dasilio there.
(63-53), 10-point lead. Pero itong si Flores, makakuha siya ng 2 points kung maipasok itong dalawang free throw. And of course, maka-cut down na. So, single digit ang kalamangan ng Las Piñas. Yan, ayun na nga. One more to go.
Flores has been the provider para dito sa Batangas.
Oh! Galing sa halos half court. Bumaba ng bahagya and gets that floater finish.
That's Hawak.
Las Piñas sa attacking muli. Napigilan. Balik sa Las Piñas ang bola. May floater din daw sila. That's
Si
Jacob.
Jacob with his 13th point there. Leading itong Las Piñas through T-Coolers.
Kaya won't go in.
Ayan, tatawagan ng foul doon si Hawak. Halos nahawakan niya na yung ulo
Oo.
na itong si Tobias.
Nagkamali ng hawak. Si Tobias, a very explosive player of Las Piñas. Sinokis niya na yung ganong abilidad niya during the first quarter. Now we see here Tobias trying to penetrate the defense.
Wild pass there.
Oh, ganda sana ng pasahan nila doon pero just couldn't get the finish.
Again, babalik tayo dun sa matagal na natin pag-usapan kahapon pa, partner, no, na ang pasa, kahit maganda, nagiging highlight lang siya pag pumasok yung tira ng kakampi.
Oh. Napo-timeout nga dito ang Batangas. Magbabalik tayo after the short break.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
From tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying a game, Chef's Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic, make every meal a magic moment. 5:51 remaining, still plenty of time. A lot of things can happen here in the fourth quarter. Bola ng Las Piñas. Oh!
Double clutching that layup. I don't know if he should have done that. That was Eraskin.
Stop and pop. That will go in para dito kay Jake Alfaro.
So, ito na. Nababa sa 7 ang lamang nitong Las Piñas. Pero si Alfaro naman ay matatawagan ng foul.
7 na lang ang kalamangan ng Las Piñas. Let's see if they can bring this back up to a double-digit lead or makakahabol ba sa kanila itong Batangas. Let's see.
Oh, and Las Piñas turning it over. Like I said, etong depensa ng Batangas starting to ratchet up. And it will be important for them to score in this next play. Flores open from 3!
Harold Flores from beyond the arc.
And nakikita mo, Batangas starting to feel it. Momentum is on their side now.
Oh, Flores once again. No dribble needed. Shot too strong, but the follow-up is good. Bugayong.
At kailangan tumawag dito ng timeout ni Coach Egay Billones. Here's the putback. As that leads to this timeout. We'll be back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat
65-63, 4:39, fourth and final quarter, 1800 division. Sabi ko nga, partner of cam, napanood na natin to kanina.
And
Paghabol ng Batangas sa
Oo nga
Las Piñas, di ba? Nakita natin yan kanina. Pero tingnan natin, mauulit ba? Will history repeat itself or babaguhin ng Batangas ang kapalaran nila today?
tingnan natin yan mga kapatid. Abang lang kayo dyan. Kapit tayong lahat.
Hawak!
Hawakan.
Tingnan natin, bola ng Las Piñas ngayon. Nauubos na ang oras sila na shot clock. 8 seconds na lang. Natapik pa ni Jake Alfaro. Great stuff doon, pero yun na nga. 6 seconds ng shot clock ng Las Piñas. 2 puntos na lang ang kalamangan nila mula sa mahigit 10 kanina. Ridwan Shadare. Humahanap ng butas. Off to the right. Misses that shot. Batangas looking to tie things up or take the lead.
Ito si Harold Flores. He has been the hero para dito sa Batangas along with itong si Jake Alfaro who loses the ball there. Arshaga sails to the basket.
Arshaga keeping Batangas at bay. Lang ulit sila ng 4. 2 possession ball game. Oh,
Biglang pukol doon.
medyo nag-alanganin si Hawak. Tapos ang kinalabasan, balik sa Las Piñas ang bola.
4-point lead para dito sa Las Piñas. Alfaro meeting Sands up top.
67-63 pa rin. Oh, shot too strong. Batangas naman ang atake. Flores sumubok. At nakakuha pa nga ng puntos.
Harold Flores with his 17th point. And he has been the man of the hour para dito sa Batangas. Nice spin move and the pass in the last second.
Na itawid ni Vergasio. 69-65. Apat ulit ang kalamangan dito ng Las Piñas. Flores thinking about it. Alfaro. Attack the baseline. Almost getting it in. The follow-up wala pa rin. Third time wala. 3 missed opportunities. Las Piñas, Truty Coolers naman. Team foul, no more fouls to give.
Oh, si Flores left the floor. Akala niya ata may timeout na tinawag.
Pwede na kalituhan, double spin para kay Flores. Bugayong.
He got back in the court, on the court just in time.
Oh! Pwede na dalawang beses kay Boral in the last 2 minutes of this ball game. 69-67, lamang ng dalawa ang Las Piñas Truty Coolers. Ridwan Shadare sizing up. And Asquin pulls up beyond the arc, too strong. Alfaro, defensive rebound. Oh! Hawak, napalakas. Follow up. Oh, wala pa rin.
And it will stay with Batangas. As finally, yan. Ay, hindi, akala niya siguro isa-sub out na siya. Itong si Flores.
14 shot clock ng Batangas. 69 to 67.
And we've got some fans behind us.
Not sure which team he
Oo.
is from, pero masaya to. 2 points lang ay nahabol dito ng Batangas. Bugayong will have to set it up. Ball movement. And the jumper is good. Alfaro. Dahil dyan, napilitan tumawag ng timeout ang Las Piñas Fruity Coolers. As we take a look at this one more time.
That's Jake Alfaro with the long two. We'll be back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat
Bola ng Las Piñas. Tabla na tayo sa 69-69. 1:13 remaining. Sabi nga namin ni partner Joel, napanood na namin to.
And in this quarter, Batangas has outscored Las Piñas 24-9. So 15-point turnaround dito sa ating fourth quarter para maitabla itong ating laban. And they have done that with tight defense and very opportunistic offense.
Under 1 minute remaining, 57.9 seconds, 69 all. This is just getting exciting.
At dahil sa excitement, napatayo na kami ni partner dyan.
Oo. In preparation dun sa magiging reaction natin. Sands. Oh!
That's that layup.
Breaks the tie. Scores for Las Piñas. Bugayong looking for that opening. Nakuha ni Hawak. Try to sidestep. Medyo alanganin yung pwesto ng tira. Shadare. Looking to be accurate in his shot. Napalakas. Follow up, wala pa din. Top shot. 27 seconds remaining. Post up for 3. Short. Napunta sa Las Piñas ang bola. 18 seconds. Shot clock's already off. Sand, sidestep.
And it will go back to Batangas. I don't know if that was a good decision for Sands to go to the basket. Wala na yung shot clock. Pwede na nilang ubusin yung game clock. At kita natin dito the defense of Batangas getting that block. And our referees have deemed it the possession of Batangas.
Konti.
And eto nga ngayon, a chance for Batangas to tie or take the lead.
Asking for a review dito ang coach ng Las Piñas. So tingnan natin kung ano magiging review ng ating game officials. Nag-apply ang coaches ng challenge dito. And especially 12.3 seconds remaining na lang tayo. 71-69. Lamang ng dalawang Las Piñas, pero bola ng Batangas. Taking a closer look itong ating referees. Tingnan natin how things will play out. And yun nga, may decision na tayo. Batangas.
Batangas pa rin talaga ang possession. Oh, ayan, sorry. Ayun. It was overturned. It will be Las Piñas ball.
So the coach challenge was successful.
So, sabi ng referees natin, tumama sa isang Batangas player yung bola as it was heading out of bounds. And so, tatawag ngayon ng timeout ang Las Piñas.
Napatawag nga muna ng timeout ng Las Piñas. 71-69. Dalawang kanilang lamang. And after that quick review ng ating game officials, nagkaroon pa ng correction. Napunta sa Las Piñas ang bola.
And they will draw up one play here. They will draw up a play here to either keep the ball away or to just drive a final nail in the coffin.
2 puntos lang ang kailangan i-keep dito ng Las Piñas. Ang 2 lang naman ang kailangan habulin ng Batangas. So yun na nga. Kinonfirm mismo ng isa sa coaching staff ng
Oo.
Batangas. And yeah, they have to agree.
Yes.
Yun lang naman din talaga kailangan. Dahil sabi nga natin na kailangan paulit na tayo niyan. Yung perspective kasi is iba-iba. So depende kung ano yung makikita mo. Tuloy ang action natin dito. Bola ng Las Piñas, 12.3 seconds.
And they foul itong si Arsiaga. He will go to the line to try and ice this ball game.
Arsiaga at the free throw line. Let's see. Oh, misses the first one.
First one bounces out para sa kanya.
Arsiaga
Opening the
feeling
door just a little bit para dito sa Batangas.
If he gets this, tatlo na ang kanilang kalamangan. Anything can happen. Oh, bola ng Batangas. 8.3 seconds. Oh!
Shot! 3 seconds to go. No timeout. Eraskin! And partner,
Our
this
goal
is our first overtime of the season.
71 all. We are going to overtime. Both teams are gonna get extra 5 minutes. As we take a look at this once again.
Munti ka na natip na ni Shadre.
Oo.
Pero parang napaganda pa. Napunta pa dito kay hawak ang bola. And we will try and settle this after 5 more minutes. This is Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Wala na yan to kasi. 5 extra minutes for the overtime between Las Piñas and Batangas. The 18 and under division sa sobrang ganda. Kinulang pa ang 4 quarters. Yung dalawang kuponan na to.
Kanina pa nagte-threaten itong ating dalawang kuponan eh. Magmula pa na 14 under, 16 under, dikit na dikit, clingy talaga sila.
So,
Tapos dito sa 18 under, pinag-overtime na.
Well, ito nga naman kasi yung conclusion ng mini-series nila. Hawak! Back-to-back scores. Scoring for the overtime and now, during the overtime, unang puntos para kay Hawak. As we take a look at this once again, Flores pulls up and Hawak gets a pound-for-pound fitness foul counted play. Flores completes the three-point play. Tumamang ng tatlo early in the overtime period. So, hindi na pinagtatagal ng Batangas dito. Pero si Eraskin, may dala ng bola. Post up, center three. Misses, defensive rebound.
Ill-advised yung dalawang tres ni Eraskin. 3-point attempts. As Hawak.
Flores to Hawak once again.
Itong si Jimwell Hawak seems to have gotten revitalized dito sa ating overtime. As he has all 5 points of overtime.
Crazy play coming from Batangas, but right now we have Tobias post up for another three. Misses. Balik na naman sa Batangas ang bola. In this situation, lalong lumalaki ang kalamangan ng Batangas. And that's not what they want to happen.
Exactly. And it seems na kadalasan kasi pag medyo napapagod na yung players, doon na sila nagsasettle sila for outside shots. And right now, it seems that that's what we're seeing from Las Piñas.
And that means to say na na-outmatch sila nitong Batangas when it comes to stamina and endurance. Kaya hanggang ngayon, sumasalaksak pa rin sa loob. Pero sabi ni Flores, labas naman tayo dyan! Knocks down a three. What a play, Harold Flores. Looking at the replay, steps back for three, gets it done. And we will be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, wag kang
8-point lead dito ang Batangas. Seeing on your screens, itong si Flores na pumukol ng 3 puntos na napilitan tumawag ng timeout ng Las Piñas. Now they have the control of the leather. Pero meron na lang tayong 3 minuto. 79-71. Lumaki na ang kailangan habulin ng Las Piñas.
Kanina sila yung hinahabol nitong Batangas. Pero ngayon, again, it was done with that that defense in that fourth quarter, slowly chipping away at that lead, and they just got that one final push that got this overtime, and then kaya ngayon wala pang nai-score ang itong Las Piñas.
71 pa rin tayo. Hawak na naman. Once again, 81-71, 10-point lead.
10 na ang lamang ng Batangas.
A little over 2 minutes remaining. Again, partner, doon na naman sila nag-resort sa outside shooting nila, and it didn't work for them, especially starting the overtime period.
Tama ka dun, partner. And for the entire game, actually, they've been just shooting 4 out of 17. Dinahandahan sila ng Batangas actually magmula nung a little bit towards the end of the third quarter and the entire fourth quarter. Tapos itong Las Piñas, pagdating nitong overtime, hindi nila naisip na idahan-dahan din yung pagbalik nila.
Pergasio, mukhang naramdaman niya pag-cheer ng crowd ng bench ng Batangas. Pergasio ulit, wala. Flores holding on to that leather. Final 2 minutes in the overtime period. 10 kalamangan dito ng Batangas. Bugayong Tubaral. Flores, bantay sarado. Almost as that ball, gives it back to Baral, pulls up, beyond the arc, gets it done.
And Batangas has blanked out etong Las Piñas 13-0 dito sa ating overtime period.
13-0 indeed.
Momentum clearly on Batangas' side and Las Piñas cannot buy a bucket. Hawak ang bola.
And ayaw ng pitawan.
Oh.
As we take a look at this once again, Baral coming from Flores. 3-pointer. 30-point. Kalamangan dito ng Batangas with 1 minute 18 seconds remaining. Si Hawak pa ang free throw. Missed.
Off to the left yung kanyang una.
Second free throw. Parehong wala pero parang no pressure na para kay Hawak. Hindi nabol ang bola. 1 minute 10 seconds remaining. Almost loses that ball itong Las Piñas. Tergasio to that right corner. Nakuha na naman ng Batangas. Under 1 minute remaining. 13 points. Nakaluhod na doon si Flores.
And ball will go back to Las Piñas. Time management na lang dito. Para sa Batangas. Total domination dito sa overtime period.
Sino bang mag-aakala na dito pa sa overtime talagang bubulusok ang Batangas? Another 3-pointer missed by Las Piñas. That one came from Ereskin.
And Alfaro with a smile on his face. He'll just dribble this out.
Pero yun na nga. Bubus oras na lang din ang ginawa dito. And tinanggap na yan ng Las Piñas. And ladies and gentlemen, we have our winner in the 18 and under division. 84-71, 30 huge points sa kalamangan na itala ng Batangas kontra Las Piñas. Hawak. Lamang ang Las Piñas almost the entire ball game until it reached the final buzzer of the fourth quarter and nauwi nga sa overtime period kung saan hindi na nakapuntos ang Las Piñas. 13 points. 13-0 ang naitala ng Batangas Limpos ay 18 and under division. And our final score is 84-71.
And that was just total domination by Batangas in that overtime period. Blanco ang Las Piñas doon sa overtime. Wala silang na-score kahit isa. Samantalang itong Batangas, 13 points. And that was just a total effort para dito sa kanila. We've got our awards to give out, partner.
Yes. Of course, as always, meron tayong mga award ng ating Defensive Player of the Game, Assist Champion of the Game, and of course, later on, our Chef's Magic Player of the Game will be interviewed by our courtside reporter, Andrea. So, maya-maya lang po yan, mga kaibigan. What a game we have witnessed, partner. Yung first three natin, sobrang tindi sa pagitan ng Las Piñas at Batangas. Pero itong Batangas, uwi na may 2 panalo.
And eto na nga, mukhang ito yung fan ni Flores. Siya yung cheer dito para kay Flores magmula kanina pa. Ito ang ating assist champ from the Las Piñas squad. And that is Ken Eraskin. He is our Milo assist champ. And we go to our defensive player of the game. See, that's Jimwell Hawak, who had 13 rebounds and 3 blocks. And kailangan lang natin i-feature si Jimwell Hawak. And Jimwell Hawak finishing with 13 rebounds and 3 blocks. And he is our defensive player of the game, care of Don Benitos. And our Chef's Magic player of the game, it is the month of May, and it is his month. Flores de Mayo, and he's now with Andrea.
Thank you, Joel. His month, indeed, our best player of the game, none other than Harold Flores from the 18 under Batangas. Harold, congratulations. No? Pag-usapan muna natin yung buong game. From first quarter to third quarter, kayo yung naghahabol. Pero pagdating ng fourth quarter hanggang overtime, nabaliktad nyo yung laro. Paano nyo nagawa yun, Harold?
Unang-una po, nagdumipensa lang po kami ng ayos at sinundan po namin yung mga sinasabi ni Coach and nag-double effort po talaga kami para makuha po itong panalo na to.
Kita naman namin yung hustle nyo, lalo na sa defense, no, Harold? Pag-usapan naman natin yung overtime. Talaga nag-step up ka alongside Hawak and Baral. Anong masasabi mo dun sa team effort nyo, especially nung overtime?
Yun nga po, sinunod lang po namin yung sinasabi ni Coach Jen. Ayun po, nagtulungan po kami para makuha yung panalo po. Ayun lang po.
Congratulations, Harold. Baka may gusto kang pasalamatan na batian. Go ahead.
Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat po kami kay God na nakuha po namin itong panalo. And kay Boss Saiban po sa mahawak po ng Batangas, sa mga sumusuporta po sa Batangas, and sa family ko po, sa mga tropa ko po, kalatita po. Ayun lang po. Ayun lang po.
Once again, our best player of the game, Harold Flores of the 18 under Batangas. Back to you guys.
Once again, congratulations, Harold Flores and the Batangas team. So that will be it for our game number 3, 84-71. Congratulations, Batangas. And wag kayong aalis. Magbabalik pa po ang Manny Pacquiao Jr. MPBL. So para sa ating second batch, Quezon City kontra San Juan.